In this Spreadsheet Millions review, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make money using the power of spreadsheets. I'd never even thought of this stuff before, and it's really smart. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Spreadsheet Millions, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a bunch of extra bonuses. If you end up picking this up through my link, all these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says 6 figures a day with a simple spreadsheet, 0 out of pocket, crush it with any niche. Let Spreadsheet Millions show you exactly how you can profit from this crazy new industry with absolutely no spreadsheet skills, no coding or formulas needed, simply copy and paste. In a matter of seconds, you have a product ready to sell. And really, I mean, I see hype like this all the time, but I truly believe that there's a huge opportunity in this, in the fact that you can go out there and actually sell these. This is one of his spreadsheets that sold over and over again, 39 bucks. There's another one here, 29 bucks that he sold over and over again. Reoccurring revenue coming in here, $32,000 in reoccurring revenue. A huge opportunity for creating these things. Here's $88,000 in the last 90 days here from doing this. $19, people like selling this, other people selling these for like $19 a spreadsheet for 26,000 sales at $19 here. That's, look at that, $495,000 from one spreadsheet. Other people doing this as well, doing it for reoccurring. $599 selling a spreadsheet here. It's pretty amazing what people are doing with this. And again, I like this. I think it's, I usually don't like stuff that much. This is right off the bat, but I like this one. Step 1, do the quick Spreadsheet Millions method. You make a spreadsheet in seconds and then you can sell it. And he shows you exactly how to do it, what to do, what to sell, where to sell it, all that stuff there included inside of this program. So in a second, I'm going to go over and take you over into the members area and show you exactly how this all works. Okay, so now we are in the members area here. Now this is the actual product that you're going to get. No, this product isn't a spreadsheet, but it is a PDF where they walk through the entire process of exactly how this works. Now I'm not going to show you everything in here because they would get mad at me if I do that. But if you purchase this, you'll have full access to all this material, all the different training. Now I wanted to show you this as well here. This is an actual person that's made money doing this. This woman here has made 6 figures a day making money on using the power of spreadsheets and teaching people how to do that as well. So it's not something that's 100% brand new. There are people that are making money with spreadsheets, but she's actually doing it in a little bit of a different way. But spreadsheets are like, everyone knows what they are. Everyone knows what Excel spreadsheets are. This is something that the way that James teaches it makes it really like, I think the bells are going to go off. It's really going to click for you once you start going through this training. So the first upgrade, of course, they've got a pro upgrade here. It's an optional upgrade, and you can check it out once you get to this page, but it's just a pro version of this. Next one here, he's got another upgrade here that he's going to be offering you for this. Again, it's an optional upgrade. They're completely optional when you go through this. Next one here, you can get 3 products ahead of time plus free crypto. So this is just another one of his products here. Other one you'll see here, you can get access to his private group. If that's something that you want to do here as well. And then he's got guaranteed approval if you want to promote this and make money with it. And the last one here is, he says this has never been seen, will never be offered again. Become a lifetime member for all of his products. So all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Spreadsheet Millions and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, don't think that just because you make a spreadsheet, you're going to start making like tons and tons of sales. That's not going to happen. You need to make something of value. You need to follow the training. You need to listen on multiple marketplaces. So just be aware that it isn't some magic button. What do I like about this? I think this is a really cool idea. I like James' products. He always comes up with the newest stuff that's going on. It's really innovative. If you're someone that wants to create products that provide value and you want to make money creating them, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Spreadsheet Millions review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really does help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.